All right, so I actually have something for you. And just think about it, absorb it, and just think what you take from it. And if you like it, do it. And if you don't, then, proceed and press next. But the vision is, I want to state that if you're investing in the app Stash, Acorn, or Robinhood, I would actually strongly recommending doing something like this if you've never done it before. Okay, so especially if your money is tight and you don't have that much money to invest inside the companies, that's totally fine. Trust me, I've been there. Okay, trust me, I've been there. So what you're gonna do is put in a mindset. If you let's say, for example, if you're used to a person who's getting meals at fast food restaurants, okay. So I don't want to name no brand names, but there's a lot of big chain fast food restaurants that you go to. So wherever you go to eat at, say for example, if you're spending $10, all right. So your average, I'm spending $10 or $8. You're gonna split that in half, okay. And if it was $10, take $5. You're gonna take $5 and spend it on a meal. So that now at this point, you're gonna actually have to think about another mindset of what you need to get with this $5. So your eating habit is going to change, but at the same time, could it help you? Are you eating something that's junk food or whatever the case may be? Whatever the mindset may be, just actually use $5. Be just more strategic with it, and think about what you can get with that $5. Take your other $5 and invest that into a Stash, or invest that into Acorn, or invest that into Robinhood. You do that every single time you go to the fast food restaurant, you're going to see how much little, I'm not going to say change, but like dollars that you're going to continue to keep recurring, every single time that you think about going to get something to eat. If you're a person that just spend very heavily, all right, now, it's $20, all right, take $10 then and put that into the Acorn, Robinhood, and Stash. All right. If it was $15, say for example, if I'm used to doing 30, because you're just a big person, just do a lot of things, we'll take $15 and I would take $5 and put it in Stash, take $5 of it and put it in Acorn, and then $5 and put it in Robinhood. All right. Or, however the case may be, you can actually take $10 and divide it by 3. And that's what you invest into each app. All right. So what the mindset is going to happen is, by you putting that change and allow that money to work for you, you was going to take that money and then it's going to be poof. It's going to be gone. When you kind of broke a habit and you got money making money for you daily. Okay. For the rest of your life. Okay. So that's the very, very cool part about it. All right. So, and you can just do this for only 30 days and then go back to regular. You can go back to regular spending. Just give it a try. And if this is something that catches on very heavily for you, you're going to see how much money that you're going to be able to invest. Okay. Now, if you got families, I understand. Just do the best that you can. Even I have a family. So, at times, you're just going to find yourself putting in $5. What's $5? Okay. $5, you're going to be able to do something that is going to be a liability to you, and you want to make money for you. All right. So thank you very much for sticking with me. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you listen to exactly what I stated. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, and we'll get back with you as soon as possible. Thank you very much, and moving on to the next module. Stay tuned.